The day and next speaker of the day is Bhupinder Praji. He's going to be talking about health tips, and over to Bhupinder.
Hello everyone. So today I'm going to speak about how can I stay home and stay fit and exercise. So the surprise element for tonight is that yes, we're going to exercise sitting on our comfortable seats. So that will be exciting. And so why this concept or why this understanding of uh, you need to stay home fit and exercise? It's nothing to do with the current scenario. It is just to do with the overall lifestyle what we are living with, uh, for years, for decades, and maybe an upbringing to our children as well for the coming future. So, most of us don't work out and don't feel like doing that because it's something which is very uncomfortable. Okay, reaching out to a gym or maybe going down for a walk or a run, cycle, or any form of exercises. Okay, it's very uncomfortable. That is one acceptance which we do not really take in because we really want to do things in our comfort zone. So I need the gym to be right close to my house so that I can just walk if I want to or go by car. Travel time is less, and the bench which I go and sit on in the gym is just a 4 or 5 inch bench, and my body is bigger than that. How do I lie on that? How do I sit and do workout? So it's more to do with how comfortable I am doing things. And the truth, the reality is that you do not build strength when you are comfortable. You build strength when you are in an uncomfortable zone. Okay. And that is the most beautiful part wherein I come in and I love to do this, my work, my passion, to make you fall in love with the entire process, be food or be fitness or be health. Okay. And I love to talk about the core part, the core area, right below your chest, until your legs. That is right the center of your body. Okay, which comes with the all organs that we have in our body, the most vital organs. Okay, maximum what you can even think about, and which function, which align your upper body to your lower body. Okay, and how do we take care of this core part? So one is, if I speak of vital organs, so it goes down to food. Today we're going to speak about vital organs in sense of the core part from the outer part. Okay, how do I strengthen my core and be more strong physically, which eventually will make you mentally fit, and obviously the confidence of you having a straight posture, having a chest out posture, wherein you have a lot of confidence when you walk up straight, rather than walking down with a low with the shoulders dropping down. So your I would just begin with saying that your body is so addicted, and we have this topic today with one of our speakers who's going to speak about addiction. Uh, so I term this that your body is addicted to being comfortable. Okay, the thought of being uncomfortable is uh, so threatening, or you feel so much scared of, you fear of, and how do I change that? So what we're really going to do is we're going to do some 5 to 6 exercises now. Okay, I want you to, if possible, do it or just follow it. And if you feel comfortable tomorrow, any time of the day, this is not a routine which you do like a scheduled one, 5 or 10 minutes or 30 minutes, like a regular routine exercise. As we speak, I will explain you why and how you do it and how it makes your life uh, much more healthier. Okay, so the first one is a very simple one, which for generations we have been doing it, and as children, yes, we were doing it. I'm sure everyone was. So you know what? Just going down, sitting on the floor with legs folded. Okay, so if you are able to spend this movement for 10 minutes a day to begin with, okay, 10 minutes a day, it's going to change your life. When I'm sitting in this posture, all right, so I am opening my legs. There's a lot of opening which happens. Okay, so my inner thighs over here are getting spread out. So I'm building more strength out here, which most of the people lose the strength because we are so comfortable sitting in our sofas or those comfortable chairs. We spend money, more amount to get those comfortable chairs, and we feel so happy sitting over there because you don't get that back pain, or you don't feel that it is very hard. If I'm going to sit on the ground, yes, I'm going to hurt my legs. I'm going to probably hurt my back, my hip. So what do? I sit this way. This way when I sit, so my posture also goes straight. Okay, I'm going to sit straight. Take my back. If you see my back, I'm trying to put it this way, straight. So possibly, yes, you might start sitting this manner. It is okay. It's normal. Okay, as you build strength, the core starts building up. That is the sign wherein you start building a straight posture. Okay, your leg strength start building up over here from the inner thigh. Your hip starts getting stronger. Your leg starts getting stronger. Okay, so I'm saying 10 minutes. You can have your food. Sit down and have your food instead of having on your dining table. Or if you are on your phone and if you want to chat or see anything, go on the phone. Just sit this way for 10 minutes and do whatever you want to do it. And I can challenge you if you want to sit for 2 hours ka movie or maybe any series what you're watching, you might either quit watching that particular series or you might quit this position in the next 10 15 minutes. And that is how you will build more strength, because this 10 will become 15, 20, 30, 40. You don't know, how beautifully in what span of time this actually grows into minutes. Okay, so the second one is something which I need to lie down. Okay, so I go on the floor, I just lie down. So I can do this any time of the day, right? If I am getting tired, I don't go on my bed, I just be comfortable here. I can put a mat or any chatai or any cloth down just to make yourself comfortable. If you sleep in this position for even 10 to 15 minutes, your back is going to start. You will feel the hurt over here on your back. Okay. So in this again, it's posture correction, wherein what I'm really doing is I'm going down on an uncomfortable position, and the body has to react to make you feel that what is something wrong. Yes, it will react because it is not a comfortable position, but that is how you will build a lot of core strength from the front and from the back. Okay, and the same position, if I change, I go down, I can lie down on my stomach, and I can watch TV if you want, or I can watch my telephone, my laptop. I can work from here also. I can write, read, whatever I want to do. So when I'm going to raise my body like this, okay, there's a lot of pressure which comes on the lower body. Okay, that is where the maximum fat people have. Okay, so there are many exercises what people really work for this. Okay, I'm giving you a very simple theory. You just sit this way, you will get a lot of strain here and you'll start burning fat over here. Okay, it's again core power. You're building core around here. Okay, your spine position is going to change. Okay, you're building more strength right in the center of the body. So these are three exercises what you can really do. So this takes me to the fourth one, that's Indian squatting. So for decades, for centuries, I don't know for how many centuries we've been using more of Indian toilets, and then somewhere in the 80s and 90s we just wanted to become too modernized and westernized, so we started changing our patterns. So in today's houses, it's very rare that you would have an Indian toilet. Why that is so important? Because that makes you, in a normal sense, make you squat. Okay, so you go to the gym and you spend hours to you hire a trainer to make you squat. Okay, which is so natural to us. It is completely natural. We were born this way. We were born this way. Our movements were this way. You were always on your legs. Okay, your crawling position. The crawling position, then you move to the standing position, then you sit. So everything is so natural for us. Because you being so comfortable, this natural has become unnatural for you. Okay, so I am telling you, if you do this, okay, or if you do this, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Okay, comfortable is a very wrong word in this talk. I would say whatever makes you feel uncomfortable. Okay, so this is one, and the most easiest way if you can't do anything. Okay, just take rest, put your back and hold your legs, try and squat, sit as many minutes you can. Okay, this is the best exercise for people who feel constipated in the mornings and have really too much of pressure or are unable to really pass out stool in the mornings. Okay, this is the best way to have a good opening. So this position actually helps you to helps with your colon or your large intestine movement, wherein there is a lot of waste which has to come out, and the movement really helps. So if you start doing this in next 2 to 3 days, you will be seeing a lot of shift in your body, and yes, you will not have that pressure or the pain what you go through for being constipated. Okay. Now, moving from this we would go down to chair sitting squat. Now, what's that? So I am sitting on my sofa. Okay. So this is very normal. If I've been sitting here for hours, or maybe few couple of 3 or 4 hours, watched a movie or something, and what do I do? Or if I'm working, I just get up like this. So in this position, I am not really sure whether I want to get up or I want to sit, because I'm putting so much of pressure here. Because my body is tired, my legs are anyways tired. I'm trying to put more pressure on my legs. Okay. So because I have a weak back. So what do I do? So how do I strengthen my squats? So I sit. Okay, I am standing right now and I sit. I get up and I sit. I get up and I sit. Okay. The most beautiful part about this exercise is that if you do it for 4 to 5 days, even be 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and these exercises you can do it any time of the day. Okay, you do not need the outfit what you require to do exercises, or even a schedule that okay, morning or evening. It's any time of the day. When you train yourself for the next 3 to 4 days, you will suddenly start seeing there will shift in your posture. Okay, you will feel more strength in your core. Okay, you will feel more strength in your legs. All right. So this way you will be able to build more core power, more strength, and now this brings down to cardio. What do we do for cardio? That's the most best part. What everyone loves. कि cardio क्या करना है? How do we do it? Exercise. Oh my God, cardio. Running on the treadmill. So we stay in buildings, right? And or even if you stay in a proper house, it's still you would have floors. So how about taking stairs? The most easiest way is just quit your lift from the building. Don't use that. So it's about going up the ladder and not coming down. Okay. So any time of the day when you're moving out or moving in, please take the stairs. So if I stay on the 10th floor and my capacity is not that high to go on the 10th floor walking, so let me try and build one target where do I can reach. So I just take the stairs and maybe I reach 2 floors. From there I can take the lift and go up. As I will gradually keep on doing this, I will keep on increasing the floors. So I am saying that if you increase, 1 floor every 2 days, so in the span of 3 weeks, you will climb 10 floors with ease. Okay, and in that way, same way, you're going to build more of leg strength. Okay, there will be a lot of movement what we are going through, and in this scenario, with the current life what we have throughout for so many years, it's very important to exercise because there is no movement. Okay, there is no feel of fresh air what we get because we put ourselves so much under pressure. So you will breathe with any of these exercises because if you try and do it for more than 10 minutes, yes, you are going to breathe. And if you are wanting to go and take up a sport, which I really love to sell the concept as understanding the conflict and your body anatomy and your requirement, take up a sport. Yes, you will be able to take up a sport and do some exercises. And that will be your ultimate target, which will motivate you to become a better version of yourself by putting yourself in the most uncomfortable zone and coming out winner out of that. So that would be it for today. And I hope you try doing this starting now because I completely believe there is no tomorrow. Whatever has to start right now. So whoever says tomorrow, that's never going to come. It's now. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhupinder. You always amaze me. You have so much of knowledge sitting there. I am so happy that you share it every day with us. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
mean it. Okay, we go to the next.